Good morning! Welcome to another Camp Anna video. If this is your first Camp Anna video, welcome. And if you're returning back, thanks for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on just a easy everyday makeup. Because a lot of the makeup tutorials I see online are very intense, I guess. There's like multiple steps. Even if it's a natural look, it's like you have this layer and then this layer and this layer and you gotta do this and that. Oh, one thing before we begin, I'm gonna use very little editing in this just to really show you in real time how quickly you can do this makeup. So, but first let's start with the clean face. Here we go. Alright, let's get started. So first thing you're gonna wanna do, moisturize. I use Fresh Lotus Preserve. No, that's not what I use. I use Fresh Youth Preserve. It's like a baby step into anti-aging because I don't need anti-aging stuff yet, but I'm also not a spring chicken anymore. So, alrighty, so that's gonna act as, like, of course, a nice moisturizer for your face and also as a primer. So it's like 2 steps in one, which is great. Okay, so next step is, of course, your foundation. I use Born This Way Too Faced. It does everything all in one. Saves you a bunch of steps as well. So I'm just gonna dot my face. Dot, 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 dot. All the dots on my face. And this is not really an art test. You just kind of dot and then dot a little heavier the places you want to cover up more, like, you know, the bags under your eyes, or at least maybe that's just me. Alright, so you got the dots all over your face. You're going to take your foundation brush. I'm going to use this one this morning, and you're just going to go through and blend. And the places where you want to cover up more, I tend to just dab. And then I'm always stroking down the face to blend in the foundation. Never blend up. Well, in that case I just blend it up. So, you know, do as I say, not as I do. But again, I'm going to dab here because I'm going to cover that up just a little more. There we go. Stroke down, 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 down. Essentially just getting rid of all the dots and blending them together. And super important that you get up in your hairline as well. Under the chin. Great, so foundation's done. Now to set that, I use also a Too Faced product, this Peach Perfect. And let's see, what shade is it in? I think there's only 1 or 2 shades. There's the bronzing and the regular. So this is the regular. So you just put a little bit in the cap. I have this really cool 2-sided brush. Well, this is blush, this is powder. Another great handy tool for when you're trying to do your makeup in a hurry. This just sets your foundation in place, takes away a little bit of the shine. I personally like more of a matte look than a shiny look, so that's why I put that on. So, alright, so base is all done. The base of your face. Yeah, it rhymes. Now, I'm going to bring out, well, I guess I should show you what I'm bringing out here. So this is a MAC. I got this at Nordstrom. I don't know if it was a Nordstrom exclusive or anything, but this palette is awesome because it's got all neutrals here. So I use this for eyes, face, my eyebrows. Actually, I'm going to use a mixture of these two. Let's make a mixture of these two here for my eyebrows. So I'm going to do that right now. I dip in the lighter one and then just barely touch in the dark because the dark one is very intense, I've learned. So, and then I'm just going to gently stroke using the eyeliner end of this, again, double-sided brush, and just gently fill in my brow. Now, you may not need to fill on your brows. You may not be there quite yet, or you may be blessed with nice full brows. Mine are starting to thin out a little bit, so I like to fill them in. start in the middle of your brow and work back and then go to the front. There we go. So it just gives them a little bit of pop. This one's a little intense, so I'm gonna do that. Okay. Oh, we're looking pretty good. Okay. Alright, so there's that. And then now I go to mascara. Again, another Too Faced product. I love Too Faced. This is Better Than Sex mascara. I don't really have a lot of lash, and so I need a lot of help without clumping on the mascara super thick. So this Better Than Sex mascara does just that. So I'm just going to go on with a few coats, one side, then the other. So, you know, stroking underneath. And sometimes you can go over the top if you want. I don't generally, but this morning looks like I do. So there you go. See, quite a difference already. There we are. All right, and then I take, again, a MAC product, this eyeliner. And I'm just gonna go under, I only put eyeliner on underneath, and then I do just a little bit in each corner here on top. And for me, that really opens up my eyes without having to like do this and do this and do the wings. No, I'm not gonna mess with that on a workday morning here. And then just for a little color, I use, again, another Too Faced, this Dream Queen palette. There's like really, really cool blushes there. I use the one that's almost gone right there. Take your blush brush, gentle sweeps, just to put a little color in your cheeks. Because that's one thing with the foundation, it takes the color out of your face. There we are. And bada bing, that's it. You can use a setting spray or something to seal your makeup. I don't usually, but yeah, so that's my 10-minute routine. Ta-da! Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comment below. I will try to link all the products I used in the description box. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a tidbit, tip, trick, piece of advice, DIY, vlog, all that fun stuff on how to make adulting a little easier. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye!